What's up, YouTube? So this is the spark plug that's out of this Kia Sorento with 90 something thousand miles on it, right? And the factory schedule maintenance said change your spark plugs at 97,000 miles. You don't wait to 100,000 miles to change your spark plugs. So for everyone who is a keyboard warrior out there and says, I don't know what I'm talking about, this spark plug was bad way before 100,000 miles. Would we all agree? Yes, YouTube. Right, Jude? What? This spark plug didn't just fail today. You follow me? This spark plug was bad 30,000 miles ago, if not more. And one of the more important reasons on why to pull your spark plugs at 30,000 miles is exactly what I'm saying. So when the spark plug's firing oil and all kinds of crap from overextended oil changes, it starts building up all this yuck, all right? And that's what happens. And then the spark plug can't fire where it fires improperly, and then not enough to cause a check engine light. And then you got oil consumption going on. You have overextended oil changes, cheap fuel, no air filter, dirty throttle body, no maintenance, and then boom, 100,000 miles. Now we got to tell you, your engine definitely has a problem. But we could have told you this sooner, and it could have just been that the spark plug was fouling way sooner than 100,000 miles, which I'm going to tell you that's a fact. This spark plug was fouling out way before 100,000 miles. All right, so that's why we don't wait 100,000 miles to maintain our cars or our spark plugs and things of that nature. Whatever they tell you at the dealership, it's all lies. Their goal is to sell you a new car and tell you you need a new engine or a cylinder head, and then on and on and on. I'm going to tell you, sooner maintenance is going to save you a lot of money. Thanks for watching.